Hello traders, today's highlights. Wall Street experienced equity sell-off amid expectations for higher treasury yield and slower expected Q4 economy expansion readings. Investors ignored the strength of the global economy, causing a 1.5% hit to the Dow Jones Index. It's Thursday, March 1st, and here's our daily market review. U.S. stocks declined on Wednesday as focus shifts from the strength of the global economy to growth in treasury market, which plays a major theme in investors' eyes. Consolidation in the treasury market gears uncertainty at this juncture, as 10-year yields are expected to rise to 3.25%. Investors' eyes on Powell's testimony today, and market volatility is expected to rise. U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis released the Q4 annualized gross domestic product early on Wednesday, and it expressed the belief that growth in the U.S. will be slower than previously forecasted. As the report was digested by investors, Wall Street began to stumble late in its session. Brexit is the top issue, with open questions regarding what kind of transition arrangements and long-term relationships are expected. Gold experienced whipsaw trading on Wednesday and will get plenty of attention in the coming days. The precious metal remains under pressure and sold off in the aftermath of the Federal Reserve's report. Gold is struggling to keep its strong midterm support level and is proving rather challenging for short-term speculators. Manufacturing data from Japan, Europe, the UK, Canada, and the US are being published during the day and will be closely watched by global investors. Thank you for watching. Have a good trading day, and we'll see you soon.